Hi dear students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we will learn about concept of remainder and division properties. So let's start. 9 chattering monkeys want to sit on 2 branches of a tree. Can an equal number of monkeys sit on the 2 branches? On one branch, 4 monkeys sit. On another branch, 4 monkeys sit. But one is left out. So, there will no longer be an equal number of monkeys on both branches. Sometimes it is not possible to group object equally. Some things might be left over, which is called remainder. So, 9 monkeys want to sit on 2 branches. So, 9 divided by 2. So here we have to speak the table of 2. 2 fours are 8. Do a subtraction. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 is our quotient. 1 is our remainder. So the number which cannot be divided further is called the remainder. The numbers that do not leave a remainder when divided by 2 are called even numbers. For example, 10 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. So, remainder will be 0. So, 10 is an even number. The numbers that leave a remainder when divided by 2 are called odd number. For example, 11 by 2. 2 5s are 10. So, remainder will be 1. So, 11 is an odd number. We know that the number which end with 2, 4, 6, 8 are all even numbers and which number end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are all odd numbers. Division property. Division by 1. What do you get when you divide a number by 1? There are 8 cookies on a plate. Shanu's friend cannot come home as it is dark. If Shanu does not have to share these cookies with anyone, how many cookies will she get? We know that 8 ones are 8. Any number multiplied by 1 give us a number itself. If we divide 8 by 1, it is the number itself. Means any number divided by 1, the number itself as a quotient. For example, 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. Second property, division by the same number. What is a number divided by itself? There are 3 fruits on a plate. 3 brothers have been told to share fruits equally among themselves. How many fruits will each brother get? We know that 3 ones are 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Means each brother will get a 1 fruit. So, any number divided by itself gives a 1 as a quotient. For example, 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 14 divided by 14 is equal to 1. 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. Our third property, division by tens. What do you get when you divide a number by 10? For example, 14 divided by 10. By repeated subtraction, 14 minus 10 is equal to 30. Again, 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Here, you can observe that 10 subtracted 4 times from the 40 give us a 0. So, 14 divided by 10 is equal to 4. For example, 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. 60 divided by 10 is equal to 6. 40 divided by 20 is equal to 2.